How to log into your Fiverr account. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Fiverr account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump right into the video. So if you have been trying to log into your Fiverr account, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser on your PC. And then from there, you just want to search for Fiverr on your search bar and then hit enter. Now you will see this URL right on top of your results, which is fiverr.com, or you can just directly search for this URL and it will take you to the website. And once you land on the home page, you'll have multiple options at the top right corner. So the first thing is to sign in, and if you already don't have an account, you can just join and create a new one. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. And once you tap on it, you'll have multiple options here as well. So if you have continued with your Google account previously, you can choose Google. If you've used your email or username, you can do that. You can also use your Apple ID as well as your Facebook account. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on my email. And from here, you can just enter your email address. And from here, what you're going to do is now just enter your password. Make sure all of your login credentials are correct. If you are trying to use your username to log in, make sure that is correct as well. And once you enter your correct password, you can just go ahead and click on sign in like this. And if you forgot your password, you can just click on forgot password like this. They will send you a reset link on your email and you should be able to log in. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.